Hi guys, so today I will be creating this soft glam makeup tutorial. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, please stay tuned and watch the full video. Okay, so now I will do the makeup. So first of all, it is very important, like you can either use a tie to tie up your hair, or else like you can also clutch it up. So right now I'm just clutching up my hair. So first of all, we will be starting off with a primer. So I'm having a Colorbar primer. Okay, I think you can see this. So now let's apply. First of all, I will take a very tiny drop and apply it all over my face. So it's a very like gel-like consistency. And now let's apply the full primer onto my face. So since this is a no foundation makeup look, so I will be just using the concealer to just to cover my scars, okay, and my freckle areas. Okay, so I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I think it is in the shade. So the shade is, I think, light. Shade number 10, light. Okay, so just take the concealer and apply it a little bit on the corner, inner and outer, and then just apply wherever you have marks or scars. So here around my nose I'm having some redness, and also don't forget your T-zone. Okay, so after that you have to take a wet sponge. Okay, now with the help of the wet sponge I'll just dab it, and I will not rub it, just dab it. Okay, and try to press the concealer onto your skin. That will really give you a very nice effect. So now you're done with this. Now actually I'm having a like a cream bronzer. So this is a bronzer pen. Okay, so this is a duo stick. One side you have a bronzer pen and the other side you have a highlighter pen. So since this is like a lipstick and it's having a little bit of a creamy texture, so I would be applying onto this, like after applying the concealer, so apply this. Okay, and then we will later on we will set it off with the powder. So this is the bronzer part, and I am little bit drawing a line. So from this corner to the center of your cheek, and same here. Okay, and also I want to apply bronzer here on my jawline and also along the edges of my nose and little bit around the forehead. Okay, so after we do this, we will again take the beauty blender and I will blend everything in. So after you have applied the bronzer, now in the next step we will be applying the highlighter. So with the help of the same duo stick, I'll take the highlighter part. So the highlighter looks like this. Okay, now I will be applying this on the high points of my cheek. See the shine, and also on my T-zone and on your brow bones, on your cupid's bow, and on your chin. So now we will again take the beauty blender and I will blend everything in. Okay, so this is my eyebrow pencil. Now the name is Wet and Wild Brow Sessive. Okay. Now with the help of my eyebrow pencil, I will be shaping my eyebrows. Okay, so this is my eyebrow pencil. Now the name is Wet and Wild Brow Sessive. Okay. Okay, so now I'm taking a cold pencil. So I'm taking the Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal, and with the help of that, I will be drawing a very thin line on top of my eyelashes. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I am trying to apply the eyeliner in dots first, and then I am trying to join the dots in order to create a line. Taking a blending brush and I just try to blend it just to soften the harsh lines. So next I'm applying the same Maybelline Colossal Kajal in my upper lash lines. Applying the same kajal onto my lower lash lines. So here I'm blending with the same blend brush onto my lower lash lines. Okay, so now I am applying this purple shade on top of my kajal liner. Applying the same purple shade onto my lower lash lines. So now I'm done with the eyes. Now the next step is mascara. So I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. So before doing the mascara, I always forget to use this. So let's use this one, and I will be curling my eyelashes first. Now I will be using my mascara. So it's done in both my eyes, and the I think the next step is highlighter again, like Miss Claire rainbow highlighter, and it has a very nice shimmer. So again I'll take a like a very thin brush not a very thin brush, but like a medium sized brush, and with the help of this I will highlight my high points. I would like to leave my lips nude, since like my eyes are very much dramatic. So I don't have a nude lipstick with me as of now. So I'll just apply this thin coat of lip gloss. So here I'm using Makeup Fixer Natural. This is a like Swiss beauty product, and it is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E. So I don't like to apply like spray it all over my face like no. So what I do instead is like I take my beauty blender and I'll spray the product onto my beauty blender, and then I'll just dab it across my face. So that completes the look, and let me change my earrings. So today I'll be wearing like with this kurti, I'm wearing this jhumkas, and I'll come back. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know your comments. Okay. So thank you so much for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.